here to tell you about our VIP Gold group. And the reason why I wanted to talk about this today is we spent a lot of time thinking about what we wanted for our groups before we actually decided to implement this. And the things that we did not want to do is we did not want to choose which merchandise you purchased. We want you to be able to choose your own merchandise. And so you can do that with this group. It's $7.99 a month. When you sign up, you get a welcome kit, and the welcome kit will include a needle gauge, and it has a little ruler on it. And then you get the 2 leaves and a bud sampler pack, so you can try the different flavors of tea that we sell here on Alpaca Direct. This is an awesome tea, and I would highly recommend that for those of you who like tea to give it a go. And that's a great way for you to decide which flavors you like. Also, we have a handy tool, and this handy tool helps you pick up drop stitches. So you can put it in your bag when you're going traveling, and it is remarkably handy to have the tool. So anyways, you sign up for this VIP Gold group, and with that you get free USA shipping. You also get double points. So whenever you purchase merchandise here at Alpaca Direct, what happens is you earn points towards free credits. So you'll get amount off of your actual product that you're buying. So you get double points if you're the VIP Gold. Let's see what else we have on here. We get our, they have a membership that is monthly, which is $7.99, or you have a yearly membership, and you can pay whichever way that you like, and that is $79 a year. And so I would highly encourage you to take a look at this VIP Gold group, and if you find yourself shopping here at Alpaca Direct frequently, this is a great way for you to get free USA shipping on any product that you buy, whether it's socks, yarn, or knitting needles. It doesn't matter. You get free shipping. So you can order as often as you want. So you take care, give it a go, and we'll talk to you soon.